What I do now is combine a bunch of greens together, a bunch of veggies. Like cucumber, it's about half a cup, a quarter of a cucumber or so, maybe a third. And we'll take the half cup thing her and fill it up with carrots, celery. If you want to use actual things, I would use 2 carrots per smoothie. And I would probably use 2 or 3 stalks of celery per smoothie. But for the sake of this, I just want half a cup. I've never done it before. I put carrots in a smoothie, but I haven't put celery, so I don't know how it's going to taste. But in reality, it's alright. This is equivalent to 4 stalks of lettuce. Call it what you will, I don't actually know. But yeah. Get the air out. Boom. There's the greens that we're putting in the smoothie. We'll shoot this tomorrow. That's it for now. One more thing. Bag up the spinach and kale. Just so they're already pre-bagged. Gonna take, I like to take a handful of each. It's probably 1 to 2 cups of spinach. And same thing, 1 to 2 cups of kale. I don't really measure, I just go upon what it looks like. So it's probably 1 to 2 cups. Boom. There's our greens. So now we got greens and veggies and some fruit for the smoothies. And tomorrow when we film this thing, we'll bring it into play. See how it all works together. Well, howdy, back again. Oftentimes I'll forget to put either oats or nuts into my smoothies. So I'm like, I don't think about it. I'm forgetting something, or I'm reaching around and grabbing 5 or something I want. So I get the brilliant idea of, well, we're making this video for convenience purposes. Healthy and convenient. Why don't we go ahead and meal prep the whole thing? Because to have it sitting here is one thing, that's still a lot of work. But the utility in a bag or a container ready to go, all I gotta do is, oh, that's 1 serving. It's ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're going for a half a cup of oats. A quarter cup of almonds. It is like a half a cup, let's do half. And 2 teaspoons of this guy, chia seeds. You don't have to do this, but I'm thinking it's a good idea. All these guys will be in baggies or bowls. It's all set. That's a lot of protein right there. And some fiber and some other stuff, which I don't know, it just is. But it does make life a lot easier. You can do as many days as you want. I'm just going to do 1 for right now, just to show you guys how it works and what the idea is. But definitely making this stuff, if you need it in advance, the freezer bag is not going bad. Just put it there and Everything's good to go.